Okay, now I've started. Must. Oh my goodness. Many things to throw around. Oliver, don't you want to be in this video? It's your turn on the catwalk, darling. Introducing Mrs. Oliver Dyke. And Casey must take the spotlight again. It's Stacey Chanel.
Yeah! We're at the hotel and we have the TP.
Oh, let me see.
Yes.
The
TP.
That's
here at
ridiculous.
the hotel.